This is Jack with Friday Night Bourbon. We're going back to Knob Creek. This is smoked maple. It's a 90 proof. Should be interesting. Give it a quick little smell. It does smell, it has the maple flavor type smell to it. It is very sweet. When they say maple smoked, they're talking maple smoke. This stuff is very nice, very smooth, no afterburn to it at all. Let's give it another shot. Very, very nice bourbon. For 90 proof, there's no afterburn to it. Very smooth, sweet smell, sweet taste. I like this. Cheers.